Today I'm making a fantastic berry coffee cake. Welcome to White Shadow Fare, where I'm making it homemade and I'm making it with love. Salt, sugar, eggs, butter, milk, flour, vanilla, and berries are needed for the batter. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Grab whatever berries you're using. I chose to use cranberries. You'll need 2 cups of them, fresh or frozen is fine, and toss them with 2 tablespoons of flour. Set the berries off to the side and start to make your batter. 1/4 of a cup of melted and cooled butter, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Slowly add 2 cups of flour, slowly add 3/4 of a cup of buttermilk or regular milk. Add the berries. Pour this into a lined or greased and floured square pan. The topping has butter, sugar, brown sugar, flour, and cinnamon. Add 6 tablespoons of very soft butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1/3 of a cup plus 3 extra tablespoons of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and with your clean hands, mix that together. This is going to get sprinkled over the top of that cake. Place it in the oven for 40 to 55 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. After your cake has cooled for 1 hour, go ahead and top it with a little bit of powdered sugar and cinnamon that has been mixed together. This is perfect for a weekend brunch, a delicious dessert. It lets everybody know that you love them, or even just a treat for yourself. I hope you'll give this one a try. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already done so.